Welcome back to Inside the Box. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to void a shipping label on eBay. You've printed a label and for whatever reason you need to cancel it and you want to get your money back that you spent on that shipping label. This video is going to show you how to do that. We're going to start on eBay's homepage and go to the top right and click on My eBay. From there, we're going to scroll down on the left side and you see this menu. We're going to click the option that says Shipping Labels. This will pull up all the shipping labels that I've printed off of eBay, and I'm actually going to be voiding this first shipping label here. It's for a math book. I'm going to go to the right and click this drop down arrow. If you want to hear the story about why I need to void this shipping label, I will link that video in the cards above. The buyer asked me to change an address and I go into more detail about what I did in that scenario. So make sure you check out that video. But I'm going to hit the drop down arrow. I'm going to click on Void Label. And then it wants me to select the reason why I'm voiding this shipping label. I'm going to click the drop down arrow, change my mind, lost label, label didn't print, transaction canceled, problem with the label in the store, other. I'm just going to click other for the point of this video, send request. And then we sent the shipping carrier your request. If the shipping carrier hasn't scanned your label, you'll receive a refund in a few days. And this does take a couple of days to get that refund, but I've always had success with this when I've had to void shipping labels. If I go back to that shipping label page, I will also see that the label changed from manifest to void requested. And that's how you know if you've requested voiding the shipping label correctly. And in a few days, you should see that refund coming through. Thanks everyone. If this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and I will catch you in my next video.